when I finished To the Moon, it ended with, this is episode 1. I didn't know there were any other games after that. So after a Google search, I found out there are actually 2 games that come after it. And this is the first one, A Bird Story. So we're going to be playing this today. Then we're just this little boy on the balcony, probably, I think. I thought he was climbing on the bush then. I was like, dude, that's dangerous from on top of there. Birds! Oh, has he got a paper aeroplane? Yo! Look at it go! Okay, that's that then, I guess. Is this actually a kid or is this a fully grown man? Because I genuinely don't know at this point. Oh. It appears we're in the dreamscape. Oh god, it really does seem like we're in the dreamscape. Alright then, what's this? What the hell am I doing? Where am I going? Why is this lad going backwards? Why is he walking like that? Oh wait. Oh, it's a paper aeroplane. And now he's flying backwards on the paper aeroplane. Oh, he's got a bird on his head. Okay. I have no idea what's happening, by the way. Oh, hello. We found our clone. What's going on? Okay. Oh, we're back in school. Okay. Oh god, what's this little... Kids are awful. You just poked that teacher in the butt. What the heck was that? What the... Okay. What was that sequence even supposed to be? Why are there trees inside? Okay. You can definitely tell this is a dream sequence. I still have no idea what's going on, by the way. Why is it so ominous all of a sudden? Why was that hallway just acting as a liminal space? I just realised our character doesn't have a name. We should name him. I'm gonna call him, Frank. Yeah, sure, that seems like a good name. Oh, so he is a child. He's not an adult. Okay. I'm assuming this is the events leading to the start of when he was on the balcony, maybe? I don't know. We're just living the life of this lad, aren't we? Alright then. I already forgot the name I gave him, by the way. Oh, now he's playing paper airplanes. Wait, is this kid just home alone? I've just realised. Where are his parents? Now we go off to school. Oh, and the book. Fine, I get it. You need your equipment. Oh, that's a nice picture. Oh, it's raining. Okay, we need an umbrella. Oh, he don't mess around. Oh. Okay, now we're just outside. Are we just living in the dreamscape? Hopefully some weird Terminator stuff doesn't happen this time, because that was weird. Oh god, we've fallen asleep in class. Oh god, Terminator's here again. I didn't mean to. Jesus Christ! Don't mess around with the teacher! What's that? Aww! I can jump in the puddles! Oh my god, I love this. It's just being a happy little kid, okay. I know I'm just waiting for like the tragic event of this game to happen, but right now I just want to be happy, alright? Let me have this. Oh, it's a badger chasing a bird! Get out of it, you! God, that kid's brave. Have you seen a badger in real life? They're friggin' huge. Oh, is that the bird of the story? I'm Frank. I'm gonna call you Frank Jr. I know we've already just met, but whatever. We'll just kind of leave it to it, I guess. Oh, what's up? Oh, god damn it, it's back! Get out! No! Screw you, badger! Oh, the bird hid in the bag. Okay. Aww. He got a bird in his bag. Oh god, that's so cute. Oh, we're going to the pet clinic. Okay. Yeah, look after the bird. See if it's doing all right. Hopefully the badger didn't mess it up too much. So there's no one in. Okay. Doctors aren't available. I guess we gotta do home surgery. This can only go so well. It's a good job our parents aren't in. They're just figments of our imagination. We're just letting the bird go free on its own. Yeah, let's do that. We got a bird in our room! The dream! Oh, there it goes. I love him. New mission objective, protect the bird. You are absolutely right. This bird needs the utmost care. Got you a drink. I'll just leave you to it, mate. Oh, the bird needs food. Okay. And the bird's already gone. Great. I mean, it's a bird. What did you expect? Wait, what's happening? Aww. Oh, he's a cheeky bird. Aha! We caught the bird. We'll just leave you to it, mate. Don't you worry about it. We don't need to watch you while you're eating and drinking. Oh no, the bird's keeping us up at night. Oh god, I know that feeling. I live with a cat. Hey bird, shut up! I've got school in the morning! Oh, there are other birds on the other side. Okay. There's its mates. Why are the birds shadow birds? Shouldn't they just be birds? Like, you don't have to remember what a specific bird looks like. It'll just look like a bird. Oh, he can't use his wings. The badger messed him up. No. New objective. Give the bird his wings back. Okay, I wasn't expecting that. Okay. Well, this is a turn of events, isn't it? I mean, I guess it works, so... Alright then. You gotta remember this is a dream sequence. Vet clinic, is it open today? Oh, it's actually open today. Yay, wing's been bandaged. Okay, so what's this now? Oh, okay, the vet's gonna cage the bird. Alright then. Are we gonna steal the bird away from the medical professional? Like, I'm pretty sure the vet knows what it's doing. We did just launch ourselves off of a building via an umbrella. Alright then, we're wanted criminals, I guess. We just stole an animal. No, the bird likes the bag. Okay, I'm gonna be on the side of Frank and Frank Jr. Screw you, medical professional that wants to take care of the animal and make sure it gets back to health and safety. Oh no, he wants to be with his own kind. So far, this game is very sweet. Yeah, so far's the thing. I'm very much expecting heartbreak at the end of this. Oh, is he gonna teach the bird to fly using the airplane? Fly. Yay, the bird got it. And the bird's stealing the airplane. Great. Okay then. What do you want to watch? I know Coronation Street's on a bit. Do you want to watch that? I think this is the episode where the affair gets exposed, bird. Why is it raining inside? Oh, it's a friendship montage. You gotta have them in sad stories. Oh, now the bird's splashing in the rain. You know what that means. Yay! Bird race! Get the bird wet. Splash. I did it. Don't... Aww. Oh, look at the bird go. Oh, and now I'm just revealing it to the world. Great. Okay, then. There we go. And there's an ice cream van in the school. Okay, then. No, no, no. Okay, then. Thank you, car. I got scared for a second. This game series doesn't have a very good track record with cars. Oh! Oh, the bird's oh, well, there we go. I was about to say the bird's getting us a friend, but we just got yeeted into space instead. All right, then. That's just happening. Let's go! Okay, now what are you gonna do with it? Oh, I gave it back! Oh, proper friend! friends! I'm still fully expecting tragedy, by the way. Gotta get bread for our bird. Hey, bird, I've got more bread for you. Oh. Okay. Oh, God, has the badger returned? Oh, it's a different bird. Okay. Oh, God, we're not going to cheat on our bird, are we? Hey, I wasn't talking to any other birds while you were out. It's all cool. I wasn't seeing anyone. I was just going to the shops. That's all I was doing. You're being too paranoid, bird. Don't worry about it. Hi. How are you? Oh, we got to the roof. Okay. Paper airplanes. I know what's about to happen. We're going to teach the bird to fly with airplanes. Oh, God. Are we going to teach the bird to fold an airplane? Oh, wait, we actually are. Good Lord. Oh, I know what's happening. Are they making the big airplane from the beginning? We got a big piece of paper. Oh, we're making a big plane! Oh, look at him go! I would be sceptical about this if it wasn't for the umbrella trick earlier, so honestly, anything goes in this game. Oh, it's time to fly! Get on the plane! Get on the plane! Yo! We on a plane! Whee! Oh my God. I have actually had like daydreams and stuff where I've been doing stuff like this, you know, like flying over the city. He's actually living the dream right now. I can't. This is too much. I love this. Oh, we're going on an adventure! Wait. I wasn't expecting a floating island. Alright then. Hey birds! Oh my God, we're creating an army. Imagine if this game ends with the entire thing being a memory implanted on his deathbed, just like To the Moon. Don't do this to me! Good Lord, no! I wouldn't be able to handle it if that was the case. Ah, no! Why did you say that? Oh, now I'm scared even more! Oh, come on, gather your brethren. We're going to be creating an army of birds. We're going to take on the world, you and I. We must rise up against the humans! I managed to persuade this one. It's only a matter of time before the others fall to our will. The time is upon us. Rise up now. We can start with these people down here. First this town, next the world. Oh, we're just going back home. Oh, we just had a nice pleasant drive out in the evening. Why did I suddenly get friggin' Aladdin vibes? You know, the friggin' magic carpet. I don't know, something about them just like returning. It gave me Aladdin vibes, and I don't know how to feel about that. Oh, good night. See you in the morning. Yeah, this kid is wet. Oh God, it's the vet. I'm not harbouring any criminals. No. Get away from me, you can't destroy our friendship. Get away from the vet. Why has the vet become the bad guy in this game again? I know it wanted to put it in a cage, but like, the vet is here to talk to you about your car's extended warranty. Oh no. We managed to get away with it, bird. Don't worry. You live another day. Oh, does that mean we can't take the bird to school with us anymore? Who ratted us out to the vet? I bet it was that little kid in the beginning. I just realised that. Oh God, they've teamed up. No. No. Get away from me, you two. Oh. Wait, are they actually doing the... Wait, no. Oh my God, they're doing the friggin' Benny Hill Scooby-Doo thing. What is happening? There's another thing about this compared to the Moon. They both had very, like, WTF moments just randomly in them. What? What? Oh, wait. Oh God, my greatest adversary, it's myself! Oh God! What is happening? What? about? Okay, the bird's still there at least. Oh God, what's gonna happen? Oh, was that him? Was that him, like, seeing sense? Oh no, he saw sense! No! Don't fall for the lies of the medical professionals who know what they're doing. Yep, take an umbrella. You know it's sad because it's raining. Oh, he's actually taking the umbrella this time. Oh, God. He's being forced to grow up by getting rid of his friend. Oh, God, no. Can I at least jump in the puddles? It's not letting me. No. Oh, God, that is the vet. No. Don't put it in the cage. Wait, why did the vet turn into the other bird? What? It's only telling me to go left. Oh God, I'm pressing right and it's making me go left. I'm pressing down and it's making me go. Literally every button is just making me go left. No! Don't put the bird in a cage! God damn it! At least put it in like an aviary or something. Don't put it in a little cage like that. Good Lord. Oh. Ha! I knew it! We don't want to cage the bird in this house! Get at it, boy! Frank, whatever I named you. Oh God, we gotta go. We gotta go. Run, 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 run. Okay, get out of here quickly! Assemble the armies! This is what we trained for, people! Get out of here! Vet teacher, screw you! I still don't know why the vet turned into the other bird. No. Screw you. See you later, nerds. Oh God, okay, we gotta go. We gotta run. I'm pretty sure they can't get us up here, but like, you never know, they might call the army on us. Oh God, no! They're like this, oh God, we're gonna be taken down by nature of all things. No! This is going so wrong so quickly. Oh God. Why is this happening now? Ah! Oh God, no! Oh God, one more. I think one more strike and we're done. Oh God, we're going into the darkness. This is going bad. Oh God. Well, there he goes. Bye. Oh God, he's just proper falling now, isn't he? There go all the papers as well. Oh. Oh God, what's going to happen now? The plane has landed. Oh God, that's a sad sight. Where did the bird go? Wait, where did the bird go? We lost the bird, we gotta go find it. Okay, go, 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 go. We're on a mission, we're gotta go find the bird. Oh God, there's our backpack. Bird? The bird's not in the bag. Oh dear. Oh, wait. I heard it. Oh. That wasn't our bird, was it? That was a shadow bird. Was it? Oh no! I don't think the bird made it. At least we got friends out of it, I guess. Yeah, here's the obligatory sad part. I friggin' knew it. I knew this game was going to end in tragedy. This is from the same developers as To the Moon, for crying out loud. Stupid members of authority tearing away friendship like that. How dare they? Oh, this is where we first met the bird. Oh, and there's just one piece of paper left. Okay. Are we going to make one final paper airplane just to send the bird off? And the house is silent once more. Okay. see what any of them notes are we? Oh, he's been collecting all the notes. I haven't even realised. Oh, it's empty. Oh, this is the start of the game. That's why he was climbing the bush. Because he was looking for his friend. Aww. He's just not here. Oh no, he's taking the water in as well. No. Oh no, he's refilling it. Okay, faith in humanity has been restored. Okay, I forgive you, Frank. Okay. We just sat waiting. Oh, okay. We just kind of sat waiting for the bird to come back, and I don't know if it will. Oh, he's collecting all the papers. Okay. I think I get it. He was collecting all the papers that, like, fell from the airplane. Yeah, because now he's got a pile of them. Oh, is he... Oh, he's making more! Bird? Bird? Bird! Is the bird back? Okay, get up. Go see. Has the bird come back? Yay! We got the bird back! This is the best ending. This is the greatest timeline. Why are you with that bird? I thought the bird was the vet or something. What? Okay. Oh, yay! You learned to fly again. Aw. There you go, mate. You don't need it anymore. Oh, he got his wings back. Oh, you're welcome. So, hey, about earlier, you know, with the whole, like, you turning into the vet thing? What was that all about? Oh, we got an airplane back! Yo! Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm about to start crying again, but this time it's going to be actual happy tears. Ah! Oh, it's so cute! I love birds! Oh! Oh, goodbye, friend. I'll always remember you. I am actually crying happy tears now, god damn it. Aww. Frank's just here now. He's learned a valuable lesson about the ways of friendship. Oh no, yeah, look, he put all the pages back in the book. Okay. And there's still all the notes on the side as well. Oh! Are we gonna follow this kid in the next game? So yeah, Finding Paradise, that's the next game.